Hello, my name's Robin from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition. It comes dressed in the stunning Mythos Black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just 6,085 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm flag design in Audi Sport. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and in the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate controls so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, a hidden compartment to keep those phone wires, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and just underneath the armrest with the Audi phone box with wireless charging and a USB charging point. This approved used Audi A4 is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.